Okay, it's going to be raining here in central Indiana for the next 10 days, so might be a good time to change those windshield wipers. First thing you need to know is what size to go by. So the easiest way is to measure what you have. These are measuring 21.5 inches, so that would be a 22-inch wiper. You always want to check both wipers because sometimes the OEM will put a different length wiper on one side than the other. This one also measures 21.5 inches, so that will also be a 22-inch wiper. So you could go to the department store, go to the automotive department and look for the little book and look up your car, truck, and see what size the little book says you need, or you could possibly look in your manual if you have one. But it's much easier just to know ahead of time I need 22-inch wipers. So that's what I've done. I went and selected some 22-inch wipers here. I got the entire blade. If you go to an automotive store, you may have the option to just get the refills and keep the blade part, the backing part. Sometimes you can just replace the actual wiper rubber. It's a little cheaper. I always like to replace the entire blade because a lot of times you'll have chipped paint and wear on these blades over a couple of years, so it just looks better to replace the entire thing to me. So that's what I usually do. Okay, so I've got my 22-inch Michelin wiper blades. You'll see a lot of selections when you go to the store of different types, styles. I always get the multi-spring one. That's what the OEM had on this truck when I bought it. That's what I've always replaced it with. I feel like that gives you a good solid fit no matter what the angle of the or curvature of the windshield is. It has a good adjustment and stays snug all the way around. They have some with a solid backing with no springs. Those may work just as good, but I always just like to get the old style multi-spring. So how do you get these off? Really easy. So you raise your wiper up, you angle the blade perpendicular to the wiper arm. There is a little clip under here that you press in. Pops right off. So I notice I did move the wiper to the side so that I could pass that through. You can see a little closer what the little clip thing is. It's just a little spring clip here. You just pinch that up and it pops right off. Get your new blade. Orient it where the little clip is going down toward the base of your shaft. You just kind of hook it right over there, pull it up till it clicks. Click. You're good. Make sure it stayed locked in. That's all there is to it. So now we'll do the other side. Okay, remember what we did? We raise this up, we turn this perpendicular, we shift the rubber to the side so that this arm can go up through. We're going to pinch that little clip. Slide it right down, and then you just shuffle it over and pull it out. Get your new blade, pull it out of the packing, align it so that the little clip thing is going down toward the base of the arm. All you have to do is just get in there, slide it up, clicks, it's in there good. New wipers. Hi, this is Hank. Thanks again for watching my videos on things you need to know now that you're a homeowner, or a vehicle owner, or if you just want to save money. I look forward to putting out many more videos. Please like and subscribe.